Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Don't Mess with Florida Cops."
Titled woman is going to resist cops and then demand that they make her feel comfortable during her arrest.
I'm not comfortable. No.
Cops were called to a domestic case. Whilst searching the area for the suspect, they came across two individuals that could have matched the description.
Yo. What's up, boss? You guys didn't see anybody with like a blue hoodie or a blue shirt or anything like that?
No.
How long you guys been here?
We just came back, then we came this way.
You guys got any weapons on you?
No.
No? You mind if I check?
Yeah, you can check. I ain't got no problem.
I'm just gonna pat you down. You have any needles or anything?
No.
No, I don't think it's gonna be them. It's just gonna be a white man, a black man and a black,
Are we good to go?
Ma'am, what's your name?
What?
What is your name?
Justice.
Hey, why you giving me an attitude, Justice? I'm not Justice. Ma'am, do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't. I have that picture that he just took.
Okay, that's not an ID though. Sir, do you have an ID on you?
No, I ain't got my ID. My dad got my ID.
Your dad?
Yeah.
You're a little grown, I have your dad's ID, but... Ma'am, what's your name?
Justice.
Justice what? That voice gonna be Justis. Middle initial gonna be Charlie.
Can I go home now?
You guys are good.
Thank you. Are we going to be followed home?
12, 17, 67. You guys be safe. Have a good night.
They didn't match this case, but upon looking up their names, they found the woman was hiding something.
Can you spell it, please? The quicker you spell your name, the quicker you guys are on here.
No, we were on our way when you guys said we could go home.
I know, but now I'm talking to you again. So
I know, but you
please
said
spell
we
your
were
name.
on our way and you guys said I could go home.
Can you put your hand back?
Don't resist. Don't resist. Don't resist.
I'll put my hands behind my back. Why?
Because you're being detained.
Why am I being detained?
They have a warrant.
I don't have a warrant. I just paid for a warrant. Move! Don't touch that!
Hey,
Move! Stop!
Stop resisting. Hold on, I got you. Calm down. Flip over. Hold on, we gotta do it together. Hold on.
Get off me!
Hold on, we gotta do it together.
Stop touching me!
Stop all that.
Stop! Move!
I got it. Stand by.
No, it's because I don't want to tell no my name. Move! Get off me! Lazy Kevin ass people! Get off me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Stop touching me!
I got one over
Move!
here. She got back.
Move!
So I need some cuffs over here. We got this arm. We got good control of this arm.
Break my arm like an asshole. Tell my what you can control. Dumbass. Move! Get your fat ass off me! Thanks for helping me up.
Shut up.
I bet I need it.
Yeah, paraphernalia right there. Back up.
Move!
I'm back. I'm
Stop
over here.
touching me.
Matter of fact, do me a favor. That's out of the sidewalk.
Stop! Stop!
The paraphernalia. The push rod.
Say you're a bitch! You're a bitch! You're a bitch! Stop!
You stop resisting. Relax. We won't have to do none of this.
Stop! Whatever you're doing, I don't have to comply because I don't want them.
You do.
No, I don't want them.
You have a warrant.
Can you tell them to get off me?
You have a warrant.
You're breaking my shoulder. Move!
Relax.
Yo, I'm not comfortable. Move.
Relax.
I don't feel comfortable. Move.
Relax.
I'm not comfortable. Move.
Are you gonna calm down?
Are you gonna make me comfortable?
No, ma'am.
Get him off my shoulder.
I'll tell you
You
what.
said all right, and he's still holding my shoulder.
Listen to me.
Get this half WWE looking ass
Are you
motherfucker.
gonna listen to me?
Man, move.
Are you gonna listen to me?
Stop. Bro. My warrant paid for. Push my shoulder again like you gay. Push my shoulder again like you gay. Warrant. Move.
You're not going to stand up until we get the hobble. I'm going to hobble your feet, okay? Copy, being hobbled. All right, so ma'am, stop kicking your feet.
Stop touching my shoulder.
105.
Ma'am, stop. Here, you got the feet?
Shut up.
All right, we're gonna put you on your butt in the car,
I don't
okay?
care.
Let me stand up on.
Can I sit the down?
Put your feet on the ground.
No, you can do like that making sense.
Put your feet on
You're
the
not
ground.
making sense.
Yes, put your feet on the ground.
my-
Now hobble forward. Hobble forward. You've already battered 2 officers. I'm not gonna play games with you.
I didn't batter shit.
Here, Becca.
Shut up. Shut up.
Man, we don't.
Stop.
Get in the car. Hey.
I'm gonna see y'all. Whoa. Can't touch me. And my hoodie still works. My hoodie still works. Gay ass.
Ma'am, that's You too or no? She get you too?
Yeah.
Okay, pull the door back open. All right, good.
I don't want your that bad, bro.
Can you
Yeah, Lloyd. Lloyd, the seatbelt hurt.
on the bottom there? Now it's on. Do you need medical attention? No.
Villar, your car?
Yeah.
Okay, go to Bethesda. Hey, two, you go with him.
That's insane. I really don't understand it. You got away, but by you giving a fake name or whatever, or not spelling it correctly or whatever the case may be, they was able to track you down. You should have got home faster. You was taking too long. The cops, they told you was good to go, but you was taking too long to get where you had to go, boy. They caught up with you. But I understand. I can see why she's always a troublemaker or whatever. Like, she got a nasty attitude. You caught. It is what it is. Nobody don't want to go to jail. I understand that. But to do all of that, you just adding charges. That don't even make no sense.
Luckily for Justice, the cops are going to make her comfy once she reaches the station with her very own comfy chair.
You're going to take the cuffs off, the hands can go right where they need to.
They can leave the cuffs on and take my jacket off. No, you pushing me forward is not going to be possible. Okay, listen. I'm fucking compliant. Stop.
Put this good mess.
Man, stop.
Still got her left arm.
Can you have a cuff on my arm?
Go ahead, put her on. All right,
Relax.
You have a dog robot, not a human one. How about you relax? Stop trying to take it off and take the shit off. Yo, if I could tell you get off my shoulder again,
but might as well take those bracelets off too while we're here.
I don't care what the fuck you take off. Come on, what you might as well do. You might as well do something else other than what you trying to persuade myself. What? Oh my God, my arm's so heavy. I didn't know this. Is it really that heavy? Is it really that heavy?
I got it.
Is it really that heavy?
Can you slide down, please?
No, can you answer the question? Is it really that heavy?
Sam, do your search.
Why am I here?
You want to do it here?
Why am I here? Excuse me? Talking to you, why am I here? Hello? Okay, well, it's nice to know that you can do it now.
You don't need to explain anything.
She didn't explain some shit to me. Your heavy-headed ass don't need to move my face. Stop fucking smirking at me, shoulder builder. Oh my God. Promotion. Take your ass on somewhere. Excuse me, can you scoot over? Man, security with the hat, mall cop. Move the fuck over. I'm trying to talk to the guy right there behind you. Sergeant, you need me a sergeant to move or understand my opinion right now? Yo, excuse you.
Homicidal ideations, you got that?
Okay, Paso? You got that. Yes, you do.
So just make sure you...
So just make sure you all speak in Spanish. So you can comply. Go buy your own Burlo, bitch. Buy your own Burlo, bitch. It's very good. It's excellent.
Justice, you gotta calm down. We're gonna come take you out now, okay? Justice, we're taking you over to the county jail now, okay? Yeah?
Can you take this off my face? Why is it on my face?
I'm gonna put it around.
Why is this on my face?
To prevent the spread of germs.
That's what a mask is for.
That's basically what that is.
It's a net.
It's a mask.
It's a net.
Run down and make sure you belt her in, Bubba.
Pull that.
Cool. Sweet. All right, boys. Good job.
Justice got her justice and received 5 charges, 2 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, fraud and impersonation, false ID given to law enforcement, and possession and/or use of drug paraphernalia. But in the end, she wasn't sentenced.
Oh, wait. There's more. Hold on. My bad.
possession and or use of drug paraphernalia, but in the end, she wasn't sentenced for this arrest.
Listen, they ain't getting no time. You already know that. They gonna do all of this and get nothing. That's why they continue to do what they do. I actually like that name too, though. Justice. That's a pretty name. I ain't gonna lie. Attitude is stink, though. You just gotta make one of them stink faces. Attitude is foul, man. Foul. Pretty name, though. Anyway, yeah. That's just don't make no sense, man. Make no sense. You can act like this, act like a complete asshole, and nothing happens. You can't make it up, man. Anyway, I think the cops did pretty good, man. 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm gonna catch you in the next video.